Hey everyone, if you're gearing up for the JEE Advanced 2024, today's a big day. The admit cards are finally out, and I'm here to guide you through the process of getting yours, hassle-free. First things first, head over to the official JEE Advanced website at geadv.ac.in. Yep, that's your golden ticket to entering the exam hall. Starting from 10 a.m. today, you can download your admit card right from there. Now, why is this card so important? Well, it's not just your entry pass. It contains crucial details like your exam schedule, the venue, and of course, your personal information. Make sure everything's correct. You don't want any surprises on the exam day, right? Here's a quick tip. After you download it, double-check all the details. If something's off, report it immediately. Better safe than sorry. And remember, on the big day, carry a printed copy of this card along with a valid photo ID. No admit card, no entry. It's as simple as that. Alright, that's about it. Download your admit card, check your details, and you're all set. Wishing all you future innovators out there the best of luck. Go nail that exam. If this helped, drop a like and don't forget to subscribe for more updates and tips. Catch you in the next one.